Hey everyone, it's James. It is May 8th, about 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, BTC, USD on the Bitfinex exchange. So first of all, it's not investment advice. Second of all, this is the bubble stage, and this is the bear market that followed thereafter, which is just a series of lower highs and lower lows. So just to go over that real quick, now we are starting to change the trend. So we have a low at 6,000, a higher low at 6,400 roughly. We had this high at 91.77. We broke above that high, and then not only broke above that high, but basically sealed the deal with another break to a higher high. As of now, price has been rejected by the river, right? I talked about this line set right here, kind of as like a stream of energy that was providing Bitcoin. Sorry, that's an oil chart. That was providing Bitcoin energy, okay? That led to this move, again, this move. We broke through it, right? We didn't quite get enough energy, broke down. Now we're using it as resistance, breaking down. Right on major support, 91.77. If this support gives out, then price is more than likely going to head lower. Lower to probably about the mid 8,000 range or so, okay? So I've been giving everybody these numbers. They've been sticking very well with the chart, so everything's working very nice. We're stair-stepping down, okay? If we continue to do so, then obviously we'll continue downward until we start to find a bottom. So if this zone gets taken out, roughly about to the mid 8,000 range, I believe we go. If we hold this zone and take off, then the first resistance is going to be somewhere like in the 9,700 range under here, depending on how fast we move. And then the next resistance zone is probably right around 9,900, almost 10,000 on Bitfinex. So as long as those zones are taken out, then that's going to give the okay for price to go higher. Higher meaning that price could easily see about the 10,200 range or so. If not, maybe even higher than that. Beyond 10,200, there's really no resistance whatsoever. So Bitcoin's free to do whatever it wants. It has an open racetrack to go as fast as it wants and go get crazy. But other than that, that's pretty much it. We have a nice little pullback forming, okay? You know, it's really going to be dependent on what happens over the next few bars tonight. And if they decide to break through or we decide to head back up. But no matter what's occurring in this market, we can see visually from these lines that everything is moving up, right? A lot of positive energy. We're showing buyers coming into the market, right? Not as many sellers. That's why price is going up. So as we staircase up, this is the bullish sign. If we're entering into a bull market, I do believe we're in the beginnings of a bull market, as long as we do not take out this low over here in the 6,400 range. But anyways, as long as we continue to put in higher highs and higher lows, then we're in a bull market. And I believe that could easily go into the end of this year. And more than likely, not only will we take out this high set right here, roughly 11,700 or so, but we'll move our way up, chunking out these areas up here at roughly 12.8, then 17, and then up to the very top at about 20,000. That is as long as we can consistently make higher highs and higher lows, right? So these videos aren't about hyping anything up. We take them day by day. That's why I put videos out every single day. But as long as we do that, everything's looking good. Visually, everything's looking good. We've tested the downtrend line, right? We had the downtrend line here, broke above it, retested it, gaining that energy. So as long as we can stay above this zone, that's a positive indication. Once we start breaking below, it just shows that sellers are now having control over the market. And if sellers are in control of the market, then you have to wait for the market to form a swing and then start to break back to the upside, breaking that downtrend resistance that you can almost visually see right here, right? So that would be a clear indication that price is done with the movement. But anyways, so that's it. I hope everybody has a great day or great night, depending on where you are in the world. If you're not joining the Slack channel, I would highly advise you do. It's absolutely free. I have people from all over the world, about 315 people, or no, I think it's 319 now. It's just really nice community. Everybody's extremely friendly. People share their own analysis, charts, and news. It's just it's a really nice place to be. So like I said, it's absolutely free. It's through Slack, so you can download it on your phone. You can also visit it on the mobile website or your desktop as well. You can get that link at my site, geometriccharts.com. At the bottom, you have my social media links, and then you have the link to my Slack channel. I also offer a subscription service too if you're looking for something a little more in depth than what these YouTube videos are. And in that service, I go over not only Bitcoin, but Litecoin, Ethereum, EOS, and NEO right now, since those are in demand by my subscribers. I also cover commodities like gold and oil, stocks like NASDAQ, for example, and then also the Forex markets too, because a lot of them kind of go hand in hand. They share relationships, whether they're inverse or direct one-to-one relationships. But anyways, I do have that subscription service. You can check that out on the site to geometriccharts.com. If you have any questions, let me know. If you do like the videos, please like, subscribe, follow, depending on what social media platform you're on. And other than that, I'll talk to everybody tomorrow evening.